plant's layout. Safety color: yellow, non-production zone; green, low risk zone; orange, medium risk zone; red, high risk zone. This is two-dimensional plant layout. This is three-dimensional plant layout. This is side view and top view of the layout.
A conveyor belt is used during raw materials receiving. A conveyor belt is used to move materials from one site to another site upon receiving. The silos are used to store raw materials such as flour and sugar that used in baking.
Next, the weighing scale is used to measure the weight of raw materials that needed to be used in dough making. A dough mixer is used during mixing process to homogenizes and hydrates the ingredients in dough, resulting in a well-developed gluten network. A dough trough is used for holding the dough trough during fermentation period.
Dividing machine is the machine that being used during dividing process. Dough are divided into small pieces. Rounding machine is being used during the rounding process. Outer surfaces of dough become smooth. During proofing process, the dough are allowed to rest and regain the proper condition of dough before proceed to baking process. Molding machine responsible to change the dough shape into cylinder.
Next, baking. After the planing is cooling, then move to slicer and finally ready to be packaged. Last process, distributing. Summary of material used. Summary of cleaning and sanitizing.
Hygienic design of food processing plant and infrastructure. Jelly Delights refers to a plant layer that designed to obtain a physical arrangement of different entities of facility that most economically meets the required output in terms of both quantity and quality. Choosing a type of flour to an industry is very important. Jelly Delights chooses Europeans, a tough industrial quality which is cost-effective because of long-lasting, quick, and practical to install and meets all the needs of modern processing industry. And drainage system also play an important role to a company. Then, Jelly Delights very concerned in choosing the interior wall and also the exterior wall. The type of pipe materials, joining methods, support design, roofing, and insulation method support the piping system of an industry.
The HVAC system, which maintains the temperature and humidity of a facility. The air compressor. It is a key utility supporting the food packaging and food processing industries. The selection of oil-less air compressor. It minimizes microbial content and supports high-temperature compression methods that can further reduce contamination risk. Ways to prevent contamination. Hygienically designed lighting. Table shows level of luminance accepted by several areas in bread-making industry, whereas the picture shows that proper lighting is essential in working area and it should be covered. Last but not least, water, specifically potable water.
Jelly Delight is our product name that manufactures white loaf bread. Jelly was named after their university location while Delight was named for the great pleasure experience. The packaging colors of Jelly Delight are red, green and yellow. 3 different colors were introduced in conjunction with Chinese New Year, Hari Raya Aidilfitri and Hari Deepavali respectively. Jelly Delight has implemented the good manufacturing practice and CCP quality management system ensuring the quality and hygiene of the food production. Product that manufactured by Jelly Delight are certified halal by Yakin and the STI, meaning that the loaf bread produced is halal and able to be consumed by Muslim and non-Muslim consumers. Beside that, the top of the package will be a hole for the consumer to carry. This hole made to prevent consumer from using plastic bag. The packaging materials of Jelly Delight are made of bioplastic and a bioplastic logo was shown on the top of the package. The logo on the packaging is to raise society's environmental awareness. The bread package will be sealed by a bread tag to hold the bread package closed and to prolong the product's shelf life.
product recall. Product recall is the procedure of retrieval or withdrawal of product known or suspected to be defective promptly and effectively from the market. Regulatory agencies involved in product recall are FDA, FSIS, and NCBA/NCS. There are many possibilities a product can be recalled. Discovery of an organism in a product which may make consumers sick. Discovery of a potential allergen in a product or mislabeling or misbranding of food. There are several recall-grade products. One of them are Captain John Duck Old-Fashioned Bread. The issue revolved in the product recall as follows. Contamination might occur during the receival of raw materials or storage of raw ingredients. Pre-sampling scheme is essential before even letting these products onto the site. Grape product, Celera and Bolero grape. As a corrective step, the company is modifying its labeling for all new products to include the declaration of all
The operating procedure if the product in recall. The first procedure will be assemble the recall management team. Next, it will be followed by informing the authority. Next, the authority should identify all the products to be recalled. This is to determine if any other codes, brands or sizes of the same product are affected. Then, detail and segregate products to be recalled which are in the firm's control. Preparing and distributing the information of recall is essential in this procedure. The authority should prepare the distribution list to reflect an accurate distribution status. The verification of the effectiveness of the recall process is very important for a good product recall procedure. The aim of control of the recall product is to the product to be recovered. The recovered product must be kept in separated area, and also the accurate records are to be kept of the amount of the recalled product and the batch code of the product to be recovered. Then the following step will be deciding what to do with the returned product. Finally, daily derives fix the cost of the recall.
Storage can be divided into factory, retailers, and customer. These are the guidelines that can be followed by factory for raw materials. In factory, the storage of products can be divided into stock products and delivery products. Here are some of the precautions that can be taken by retailers. These are the guidelines for customers.
Distribution can be divided into three, which are time management, transport condition, and distribution flow. To avoid traffic jam, deliveries is made during midnight or early morning and follow the schedule.
Transportation is equipped with a monitoring system and personnel wear white equipment when handling the breads.
The flow is passing through the intermediaries for higher profit and larger audiences.
SWOT analysis. Firstly, strength, high technologies of equipment's use, deep understanding of customers. Secondly, weakness, high production cost, limited number of product offer. Third, opportunities, changes of preference, international expansion. Fourth, threats, competition, economic slowdown.